Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Honor Moisen X1. In today's video we will see what we have from these earbuds, what option do they offers us, and we will try all the option and we will see how to connect it with other devices. So let's go ahead without losing any time, start unboxing and try out these earbuds. As you can see, the package is very simple, very small, and you can see all the details about these earbuds. We have in the first page here 24 hours battery life, dual mic, and other information. In the back as well, we have a couple information in different languages, which I personally am a fan of these options and details with different languages. Here in the box, we have the user manual, again in 5 different languages, very good, from the Honor company, and we have the package underneath it with the earbuds outside and the charger box wrapped up for protection. Everything in this package is glued to the place, so I like this way. It doesn't get damaged from shipping and is a very good package from the Honor. Underneath here we have a very small charger for the charging box, and again wrapped up for protection, very good. Type-C cable, and we have here some extra earpieces for the earbuds itself. Again, all these pieces are wrapped up for protection, which I said before I like this way very much. Also, we have here some a type of Q-tips to clean inside of the earbuds. As you can see, we have some notes and information on how to use these. 2 of these, so I think we don't have to use these so often. And we have now here the box itself. This is how they go in place. These are held by magnet in their place, which it looks pretty good, and the material that the Honor used feels very solid. Let's pop them on in our ears and try to connect them, see how they will work. Starting with the Android, turn on the Bluetooth and go to the settings immediately. We have here a couple of other devices that we connect before. We have to go press new device, and you can see we have the wireless earbuds. This is how the name of the Bluetooth for the Honor earbuds is called. Here are the options that these earbuds offers us, and let's go straight to the YouTube and try to play a song and hear out the sound that they offers us. You can see these earbuds are one touch button. We have double tap to left or right to play or pause. Press and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds to change the song, and press and hold the left earbuds for 2 seconds to change the previous songs. For calling operations, we have touched the left or right earbuds twice to answer a call, or touch the left or earbuds twice to hang up a call, and to reject it you have to press and hold the left or right earbuds for 2 seconds. In that way you can reject a call. And we have the voice assistant activation. Touch the left or right earbuds 3 times to activate the voice assistant. These options personally are plenty of them, are very good, very useful, and I think these are enough for the price of the Honor. And personally I like the way that they sound. They have very clear sound. The bass is very good. The songs that I'm playing are very good. So the sound, we saw how to connect it with Android. We tested the sound, we heard it. Now in the iOS, here we have at the other devices or new devices wireless earbuds. Is the same option like we did in the Android. We have here a song to test out. Again, the sound is coming the same as in the Android, and all the option works. I personally think these are one of the best earbuds in the market right now. I highly recommend you, if you're looking for earbuds, to check out these, and I recommend you to check other reviews as well. Personally, I wore these earbuds for a few days and these are very good. The sound is really good, and we have here the option to connect it with a PC as well. You can see right here we are connecting at the Bluetooth of this laptop, and this tells you that these earbuds are very good. You can use these earbuds with plenty of devices, not just with Android or iOS. Either way, these earbuds are really good. And this is what we have for today's, guys. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.